Yes, my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, welcome back to another update. In this video, we have two things we are going to feature in the video. We're going to show you a place where them finish asphalt out in Morant Bay. So stick and stay for that. But you all know what time it is in Jamaica now, yes? We know it's heading to Christmas. We all know that also. But there's the next thing we want to know too. It's politics time again. Are you gonna vote now? Speak your mind down in the comment section. So you know it's politics time again, as we say. So are you gonna vote? Just hopefully we have a peaceful election and may the better person win. And the day, you understand, as I can see, it's politics time again. So everywhere you go right now at politics, the politicians them are out. The supporters them are out in their numbers. I support them party. The Labour right there are out in their numbers supporting their party. The PNP also are out in their numbers supporting their party. But I hope at the end of the day we have a peaceful election and we the better man, better person win. Okay, viewers and subscribers, remember speak your mind down in the comment section. So in this video now we are going to show you say the Labour right them are march out, you know, viewers, because I guess I feel them conference on this day, okay? So them are going to support them party, them are going to support them member, them are going to support them MP, them councillor, whatever. Them are going to do them support, them are turn out in their numbers. So stick and stay on, see that viewers. Okay? And then after this now, then we are going to show you the piece of asphalt them are finish in Morant Bay. Them are put everything on a one cover. Okay, viewers and subscribers. So in order for you to see that, just stick and stay, and do the do. Like, comment and share if you're new. I will love you to subscribe. So we start this video in Seafood, St. Thomas. Okay, bless up. In the morning, the sunrise, sun glaze, I kill the video viewers, but I hope you can see and enjoy it. Okay, bless up. Police are such a trouble in that time, still, you know. Unless you naturally do something. So my viewers and my subscribers, I can see the support of them turn out. That is a chuck. Yeah, with the support of them pon it and music. So we got to mute here, so that's why, cause you know the copyright strike, that's how we mute this. So you understand? Yeah, man, them turn out in them flying colors, man.
Boris!
So my viewers and my subscribers, as you can see, that's it for the politics, side. So speak your mind down in the comment section who you're gonna vote for. You know, we have to talk who you're gonna vote for, who you really feel is the fittest person to run this country, and how you believe the country could move forward if that person can run the country. Okay, speak your mind. Anyway, let's take it to the next video now. Right now, we're staying place in our center, my viewers. We're out in Morant Bay, right before the plaza. Yeah, might be right for the plaza, right there so with the cars. You see here, so here's one bad piece of road viewers. So I white and him think and him team out him asphalt it right now. Get it smooth, get it more free for motorists can drive pan. You get a say cause you know the holiday come Christmas holiday, you know it have a whole heap of traffic. You understand worse, so the bad, so them a try to get you so well organized so the traffic can flow smoother, which is a good thing. Okay, viewers and subscribers, so bless upon yourself, Hope you all enjoy this video. Continue watch it. Manners and respect. Remember, do the do. Like up the video, viewers. Like up the video, please. Thank you very much. Yes, viewers, at the time for it, Yeah, man, a politics time, man. So I mean, honestly, to try if you go on like, go and hide it. You can't hide it. I time now for it. So speak your mind down in the comment section. What you believe is the right person to run Jamaica, to move Jamaica forward in the better way. Viewers, speak your mind down in the comment section, okay? When the time comes for election day, how you gonna vote? You don't want to talk who you're gonna vote for, you understand? Yeah, man, you don't want to say that. Anyway, we bring it to make you see the people them turn out in them numbers that go support them party. And right in Morant, be right out of Presser Plaza, that's our front part of that bad piece of road there. Yeah, man, Cement and Asphalt, man, Whitehead and his team, I get rid of it once and for all. So if you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much for doing so. You leave a like, thank you very much, man. Leave a comment here, say active down in the comment section. So see you people in the next video, And we say safe travel, upon the gravel. I'm out.